This video is made for the purpose of answering the question which I gave you in the last video, and the question was, why do golf balls have dimples? So I'm giving you some moments to think about it. Just think. Now let me answer. The obstacles in the form of dimples all over the golf ball creates choppiness or eddies as the air passes over it, and therefore turbulence is created. This makes the air molecules flowing over the ball to remain attached to the surface of the ball for a much longer distance downstream in comparison when golf ball is smooth. Thereby, this creates an extra push or pressure from behind the ball, thus causing much less drag in course of its motion, which enables the ball to travel farther. Moreover, the dimples generate lift when there is significant backspin on the ball as it is sailing through air, which causes this air to move faster over the top of the ball, and this results in a reduced air pressure on the top of the ball. Just think why this phenomena is happening, why there is a reduction in pressure when the air is moving faster over the top of the ball. So this reduction in pressure over the top of the ball, which causes some amount of lift, causing the ball to rise as it travels the distance. Same phenomena will cause it travel in sideways arc through the air. So now again I am giving you one question to think about it, and meanwhile I am expecting that you all will comment about this question in the comment section. And the question is, why does a cold glass have drops of water on the outside? So just think about this question and stay healthy, stay safe, and stop COVID-19 by staying at home. Thank you. Also, for more exciting contents about science related stuffs in the form of news, videos or articles, don't forget to like our page Science Talk on Facebook, for which the link is given below.